How to reset iPhone to factory settings. Let's jump into the steps. Open the settings on your phone, tap on your Apple ID, tap on iCloud. Now here tap on iCloud Backup. Make sure you have turned this on. Make sure you have backed up all the data that is stored on your iPhone. If not, you want to tap on Backup Now. After you do that, you want to go back to the home screen of the settings. Now tap on your Apple ID, scroll down and tap on Sign Out. As soon as you do that, you will get an option if you want to back up the datas, and if you want to back up them, you just want to enable them and then tap on Sign Out. The next thing you can do is you want to go back to the home screen of the settings, scroll down and tap on General. Now here you want to scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Prepare the new iPhone that you want to transfer all the data. To do that, tap on Get Started, and if you have already set a new iPhone, let's move to the next step. Tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Tap on Continue. Tap on Continue here. Enter your password. As soon as you do that, your phone in memory will be erased. And now you want to sign out of your Google, and then you want to reset your phone by clicking the volume button upward once and then downward once, and then keep on pressing the power button. It will turn off your phone, and after it turns off, take some time and then turn it back on again, and your iPhone will start by saying hello. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.